got these Harbor Freight Icon mid-length sockets for my tool review today. I mean, everybody knows. I mean, they're literally just trying to copy Snap-on. I mean, it's a premium brand. You know, the Snap-on socket seems a little thicker or a larger outside diameter. I probably won't keep them in these. I like my sockets standing up. This just takes up too much room in the toolbox. But they are very nice. I only have a handful of Snap-on mid-lengths, so this is just buy what I need when I need it. But yeah, these will make a nice addition to the box. So guys, check them out. I got these on sale a few weeks ago. Just getting to this now. Well, I'm one of the people who says, a lot. Shit. Thanks. Please watch and subscribe. I'm thinking about doing some sort of giveaway, like a gift card. I was thinking about giving away tools, but it's probably too much effort to mail them and stuff. So I figured, we'll just give away gift cards. So let's figure out, how much of a gift card. I know these guys are going to want like $1 million in a truck to haul away in, but we'll probably start out with like $25 gift cards to places, $50, $100. Let's say if we get up to 100 subscribers, I'll give away a couple $25 gift cards. If I get up to 1,000 subscribers, I'll try to give away a couple $100 gift cards. Thanks for watching.